What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED version. I bought it for myself for Christmas along with Pokemon Pearl and a memory card. I also have my Nintendo Switch Lite and the Nintendo Switch for like comparisons for sizes. I just got some other accessories like thumb grips and a skin to go on later. But for now, let's unbox it because I'm super excited. Sorry, my shadow is here. It is late. Well, do you know what? It's not late, but you know what England is like. It's dark at like 2 p.m. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Ooh, so exciting. Start that up. New Joy-Cons, yes. Our L button on the other Switch doesn't work, so it's going to be exciting to have Joy-Cons that actually work. Okay, let's put it on. Oh my god, look at the screen! That's what it looks like. Oh, I've got fingerprints on it already. There's no hope for me. Okay, I have to set that up in a minute. This is just what the Switch came in. Oh yeah, the dock charger, HDMI, the dock that it comes in. Very fresh, very fresh. Controller. Oh my god, what is wrong with my fingerprints? On the top parts. So just your standard stuff. Let me see. So this is the Nintendo Switch OLED next to the Nintendo Switch. So it does look quite a lot bigger actually. And then here is the Switch Lite. So here is the Nintendo Switch OLED next to the Nintendo Switch, next to the Nintendo Switch Lite. Oh, my Switch is dead. Excuse that, but it actually looks way bigger. I guess because the screen is so big. But yeah, I got these really cute thumb grips. I'll probably take these off and put it on here. And I got this Switch skin, which is so cute. But I think I'm going to wait to put that on. Well, to be honest, this is for the normal Switch, but I think it will still fit the Joy-Cons. That's all I care about. And then, as I said, I got Pokemon Pearl and I got a screen protector because if I scratch the screen, I will cry. I have to do the whole transfer user thing, but that is what they look like next to each other. And then that is what the back looks like. So the part that comes out on here, the stand, is way bigger, which I think is better. I feel like it's going to be a lot stable than just this little thing, so that's good. Overall, it looks really good. I'm really excited to try it and play it. I'm going to go now and set this all up, but I'll probably do some gameplay on it soon, let you guys know how I like it, maybe do an updated what's on my Switch video. I'm going to keep this one as I said, so I'll leave it as it is. I'm going to transfer over my Animal Crossing Island from this Switch and yeah, re-download all my games. I'm very excited to play Pokemon Pearl. I'm going to go and set this up. Let me know which Switch you guys have and if you went for the OLED or not. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.